Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to connect your PC's LAN network to your Android phone, or that is how to use your Android phone to access internet via your computer's net. So we don't need any routing applications, nor any routed phone. What we just need is that an Android phone and a computer with an internet connection. So here we go. First take your micro USB cable and connect your Android phone to your PC. Now what we are gonna do is that take its connectivity settings, then click on the more option, then tap on this USB internet option. Next, before tapping on next, you have to specify your operating system of a computer, and now next, and finally done. Now you will be shown a notification that your USB internet has been connected and now you can access net, but it's not ready now. And what we are gonna do next is that go to your control panel settings and take the Windows firewall. And now what we are gonna do is that disable the firewall settings. You can see that I have already disabled it earlier. Okay, you can do that in here. Okay, turn off Windows firewall, okay. Now what we're gonna do now is that go to your network and showing sender. Okay, so what we are seeing here, this unidentified network, is your Android phone. So we can see here that there is no internet access. So now go to the adapter settings here, and this, what we can see here, this local area connection 2 is what the Android connection is, and this is our net connection in our PC. So first we are gonna bridge those. No. Before that we have to take the properties and I have done it already. You have to choose this option for your Android phone's connection. Obtain an IPv6 address automatically, and the same thing goes for the IPv4 connection. Okay, obtain an IP address automatically. Okay, now take the properties of our net connection of our PC, and the same thing, we had to do the same thing for that. Okay, now what we are gonna do is bridge this connection. So here a new bridge connection has been formed. We can check its status. Yeah, okay, yep. Now status. Okay, you can see that the bridge connection has got internet, and now we have to check our Android device whether it is having access to the internet. So after checking that, if you are still not being able to connect internet through your Android device, what we're gonna do is that just delete this bridge connection, and now we are gonna take the properties of our LAN connection or our PC internet connection and choose its sharing option and tick the allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. So So now what we're gonna do is that check its properties and set its sharing and tick the allow the other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Okay, and after checking that, yeah, you will now get access to internet via your Android phone, and now you can check it whether it's working or not. And I'm damn sure that it will work because I'm now accessing that internet via my Android phone. Okay, and please follow this instruction step by step or it might not work. And thanks for watching. Please rate and give comments, and thank you.